Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This review reflects my personal experience with the subject. Today, we're taking a look at PNC Bank, found online at pnc.com. PNC Financial Services Group Incorporated is a large regional banking institution, offering a comprehensive array of financial services for consumers and businesses alike. Navigating their website, you can explore various checking and savings accounts tailored to meet different needs. They provide options like Virtual Wallet with Performance Spend, Performance Select, and Growth. Each of these accounts comes with its own set of features and benefits, so it's worth delving into the details to find the perfect fit for your financial goals. Beyond everyday banking, PNC offers a wide range of lending solutions, from mortgages and home equity loans to auto loans and personal lines of credit. Whether you're looking to purchase a new home, refinance your existing mortgage, or finance a vehicle, PNC has options to explore. They also provide a variety of credit cards with varying rewards programs and perks, catering to different spending habits and preferences. For businesses, PNC offers specialized financial tools and services, including treasury management, merchant services, and commercial lending. Their website has a dedicated section for business banking, allowing you to easily access information about the solutions they provide for businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations. Planning for the future is another area where PNC can assist. They offer wealth management and investment services to help you grow and protect your assets. You can explore their retirement planning tools and resources, as well as their brokerage and investment options. Navigating through their website, you'll find detailed information on their wealth management services and how they can help you achieve your long-term financial objectives. In addition to traditional banking services, PNC offers online and mobile banking platforms, allowing you to manage your accounts conveniently from anywhere, anytime. Their mobile app provides features like mobile check deposit, bill pay, and account balance monitoring, putting you in control of your finances on the go. Remember, this is just a brief overview of PNC Bank based on my personal experience. For complete details on their products and services, I highly recommend visiting their website at pnc.com. And don't forget to check out the links in the description below for more information and resources.